Look, I know exactly what your week looks like. You spend hours hunting for the right keywords, writing scripts that never feel quite right, battling video editors, wrestling with SEO tags, and then hours more making thumbnails that hopefully get a click. By the time you finally upload a video, you are exhausted. I was there too. I realized that if I was going to scale my channel, I needed to work smarter. So we built TubeTarget. It is the first all-in-one AI ecosystem designed specifically for YouTube creators. Imagine finishing your entire workflow, from keyword research to ranking #1, in just 22 minutes. I am not exaggerating. This is the future of content creation. Today, I am going to show you exactly how we do it. First, we need to find where the gold is buried. Most creators just guess. They pick a topic they like and hope it ranks. That is a losing game. With TubeTarget, we open up the AI research module. You type in your niche, and the engine immediately analyzes millions of search queries. It looks for the sweet spot, high search volume, but low competition. The AI isn't just giving you a list of keywords, it is giving you a blueprint for content that people are actually starving for. You can see the projected growth potential for every single term before you spend a second creating a video. We pick our high-growth keyword in seconds. This is the foundation of our 22-minute speedrun. Now, we move to the engine room. Usually, you would spend days on a script. Here, the AI takes that high-growth keyword and crafts a high-retention script designed to keep viewers watching until the very end. But it doesn't stop at text. The AI synthesizes the visuals, pulls the stock footage, crafts the voiceover, and applies the transitions.
Have you ever seen an ad promising hundreds of dollars for simple typing tasks from home? It sounds like a dream come true, but often it is a nightmare in disguise. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the world of paid online writing jobs. Is the industry legit, or are you walking into a well-crafted trap? Let's find out together. The first thing you need to understand is that the freelance writing market is massive and genuinely profitable. Many businesses rely on remote writers for blogs, newsletters, and technical content every single day. However, scammers target beginners by promising high pay for very little effort.
You are essentially delegating the heavy lifting to a machine that never gets tired. You can tweak the tone, adjust the pace, or change the visuals. But honestly, the AI gets it right on the first pass 90% of the time. We are talking about professional-grade videos generated in a fraction of the time it takes to brew a cup of coffee. A great video means nothing if nobody finds it. The YouTube algorithm needs to understand what your video is about, and that is where SEO comes in. Most people slap on a title and hope for the best. TubeTarget uses advanced natural language processing to generate the perfect SEO-rich title, a compelling description that includes your keywords, and a complete set of tags that tell YouTube exactly who your audience is. It even automatically generates your video chapters. Think about that. You are saving 30 minutes of tedious metadata entry. Everything is perfectly optimized to signal the algorithm that your content is high value. Let's talk about clicks. The thumbnail is the single most important asset for your video. If they don't click, they don't watch. TubeTarget has a built-in AI image generator that analyzes top-performing thumbnails in your niche and creates a custom, high-definition design that fits your brand. It understands contrast, typography, and human psychology. You are getting professional designer quality in a single click. No Photoshop required. You can swap out a font or adjust an element, but the heavy lifting is handled instantly. This thumbnail isn't just pretty. It is engineered to drive clicks. We are at the final stretch. Everything is polished, optimized, and ready to go. With one click, TubeTarget publishes your video directly to your YouTube channel. It is seamless. Once it is live, we wait. Now let's look at the data. Within the video climb the rankings. We are hitting page 1 for our target keywords. This isn't luck. It is a repeatable process. We've turned a multi-day ordeal into a 22-minute automated workflow. We are consistently hitting the top of the search results, driving organic views and growing our audience while putting in less than half the effort. It is time for you to stop grinding and start scaling. Why spend hours on tasks that AI can handle in seconds? You have the tools to dominate your niche, drive consistent traffic, and grow your channel like a professional. The 22-minute workflow is waiting for you. Stop working harder and start working smarter. Go to TubeTarget.app right now and get started today. Your channel deserves the growth, and your time is way too valuable to waste on manual labor. I will see you on the inside.